Hi guys, welcome to Gadget Base. This is Sulabh, and if you still have not subscribed to our channel, go ahead and press that subscribe button followed by the bell icon. A lot of Indian companies and companies from abroad have launched their set of wireless earbuds in the Indian market. Today we are going to talk about the Skullcandy Push. These are another set of wireless earbuds. Let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. Alright guys, so those are the Skullcandy Push earbuds box in front of us. Compared to the other similar wireless earplugs, this box looks quite trendy. With dark green plankton and black color scheme all around it, a couple of specifications are written on the box's front and back panels, which includes Bluetooth wireless technology, up to 12 hours of battery life, and a charging case inside. So let's go ahead and unbox these earplugs and check out the rest of the contents inside the box. Okay, so the first thing inside we see is the charging case. Let me pull that out and keep it here. Followed by the earplugs. Let's remove this first layer of foam and see what is underneath it. So here Skullcandy has placed an instructions card, a user manual and a warranty card. Next thing inside the box is the USB Type-C charging cable. Since the charging case supports USB Type-C feature, these were expected inside the box. Also inside the box you will get 4 additional ear tips to suit your ear cavity. So those are the contents you get inside the Skullcandy's Push wireless earbuds box. Let's quickly take you over its technical specifications and the build quality. First, let's talk about the charging case. Made out of hard plastic, this is quite premium to look at and is sturdy too. The plugs seem to snap inside easily as the case is magnetic. There is a power indicator on the case too, which shows how much battery juice is left inside. To charge it, like we said, a USB Type-C port has been placed on the right side of the case. Now to talk about the earplugs, they are available in 3 colors, and the one you see here is called the Psychotropical Teal. Yup, Skullcandy does know how to name their products. The other 2 color variants are called Grey Day and Bold Tangerine, which also look quite snazzy. You can go and check them out on the Skullcandy's website. I will share a link below in the description for the same. So to talk about the Push earbuds tech specs, these weigh just 54.2 grams and come with Bluetooth 4.2 tech for connectivity. The frequency levels range between 20 Hz and 20 kHz, and the audio driver diameter in each earphone is 9.2 mm. These have an impedance level of 16 ohms. Users can get up to 12 hours of playback time, and one can also make calls with them since these come with a built-in microphone. Now, these 12 hours are broken into 2 parts. 6 hours will be given through the fully charged earplugs, and another 6 hours is what the case holds. The catch is you would need to recharge the buds in the case again, and of course, at that time you cannot use them. We wore them for a little while and they seem to be quite light, and the secure FitFin gel, it's a tongue twister for me, which accompanies the ear tips, keep them in place. To control the Skullcandy Push earbuds, you have to press on the circular buttons located on them. These also control the volume, multimedia playback and voice call capabilities. The left earbud also has a LED indicator. Over that, voice assistants like Google Assistant are also supported. These can be accessed by triple pressing any of the earbuds circular key. And finally, these are water resistant too, which means you can take them out for a hike or to the gym and your sweat would not ruin them. Now on to the more important factor for some, its price. The Skullcandy Push earbuds are priced at Rs 9999 and are selling via the Skullcandy official online store and various retail outlets throughout the country. Alright guys, so those were the Skullcandy push earbuds. You saw the contents of the box. If you did like the video, go ahead and press that subscribe button followed by the bell icon. We are also running a big giveaway on our Instagram and Twitter pages. Why don't you go and participate? This is Sulabh signing off for Graduate Bridge. I'll see you next time.